Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today is a very exciting day for me. New mods going on the Ninja 500, and we are at the one and only Fun Bike Center here in San Diego. They always get me hooked up. If you guys need a new bike or need service on your bike, come hit up Fun Bike Center. I am so stoked for this. Say one last goodbye to the old red and gold setup. We are switching to a blue and gold setup. The Vortex chain is gold as well. I got a 43 tooth aluminum rear Vortex sprocket and a 14 tooth steel front sprocket. This is stock sizing for the Ninja 500, so I'm not going to have to change up my speedo or anything like that. This is just stock sizing, 1-for-1 swap, super easy. You can buy all of 6061 products and Vortex products now for 7% off on the 6061 website. That's where I got all of this new Vortex stuff. So if you can't find your exact bike, make, and model and the chain and sprocket you're looking for, hit me up. Hit me up specifically on Instagram. Send me a DM. I'll reach out to 6061 and Vortex for you and get you exactly what you need. Let me go around to the service center, have them put this on, and I'll catch you guys in a few hours when we're back. I just got the install finished up. Blue aluminum Vortex on there with the gold chain. Man, let's go, dude. I cannot wait to get out there. Both sprockets switched. The chain, just got a fresh oil change. And I got a brand new front tire. Oh, dude, this thing freaking looks and feels amazing. It is, same tire. Nice. Let's go. Yep, same OEM tire as I've been using. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah, we are so back. Getting some new fresh miles on the tire, so we don't want to go leaning too far. Roll it in second gear right now. Oh yeah, it feels good. Oh hell yeah. Look at this. Oh god, this car's gone now. Man, absolutely immaculate Lambo. I want it to come fly by me. Man, I feel like I'm on a brand new bike right now, other than the stolen lever guards. Oh shit, 3 o'clock, already traffic right now. Headed down towards the beach area. Sick. I did not expect 6th gear, rev match 5th gear, rev match 4th gear. I did not expect there to be traffic right now. But this just adds to the vlog, dude. Let's go! Lane splitting, vibes. It's Friday right now. I have no idea when this video will come out for you guys, so hope you're having a good day, regardless of what day of the week it is. Hope you're vibing. I would appreciate it if you guys would smash that subscribe button. I'm out here riding and vlogging for you guys, trying to bring you some entertainment throughout your weeks. And then, yeah, I'm sure I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, but shout out Vortex, shout out 6061 for getting me right. And if you need anything from 6061 or from Vortex and you can't get it off the website, let me know. So I can help you get anything you want and get you a 7% discount on that stuff. It'll be interesting to see how long this Vortex setup lasts compared to the last setup. I was using a DID ERV7 Pro racing chain before with a DrivenWorks aluminum sprocket and DrivenWorks steel sprocket. So I had 2 different companies going on with the chain and sprocket before. Now it's just one. It's just Vortex. And Vortex makes some incredibly high quality products, so I'm super stoked to get them on the bike now and be using and testing them out. 4th gear, just ripping through these lanes right now. only main thing that sucks about not having the lever guards, realistically, is the added vibration back onto my handlebars. That was the main reason why I got them. And I'm gonna ride all day right now, dude. Because the bike is I couldn't be in any better shape right now with the fresh oil change. I think that's my 4th oil change now. And we're gonna run this brand new tire down a little bit as well. Keep on splitting through here. Man, do I love that view. It's feeling, oh wow. It's feeling a little bit more cool now over here now that we're getting closer towards the water. 5th gear, ripping on the ramp. Leading off the bike to the right. Oh, this feels like a nice corner right now. Hell yeah. Crazy afterwards. Let's go. Oh, push it up. See if we can get a 126 full with the new painted Sprocket. 115. Such a great form of transportation, fun form of transportation. Especially if you can wheel it around like this. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed this little Vortex chain and sprocket showcase and quick little ride on the highway. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning into another ride. I'm almost down to the beach. I'm going to cruise and vibe now. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Hit subscribe, watch one of these 2 videos, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!